Hello and welcome to the Motion Time YouTube channel. In this video, we will be delving into the world of C4D and exploring the Corona Render engine's frame buffer settings. Let's start with the first section, the frame buffer. Within this section, we have an important option called Clear VFB in between renders. When enabled, the frame buffer is reset to black before each rendering. However, when disabled, the last render stays visible and gradually gets replaced by the new one. Moving on, we have the render stamp feature. Enabling this option allows you to overlay text with render information on the bottom right corner of your output. If you click the little greater than button before the checkbox, you'll find a list of all available % variables that you can utilize. It's worth noting that the render stamp accepts both text and the special % variables mentioned under the greater than button. Now, let's explore the next section, which is the image filter. Here, you'll find several options. The image pre-filters are designed to suppress more patterns and other artifacts by slightly blurring the image. Most filters produce visually similar results. Here are the available filter types. High quality. This filter provides superior anti-aliasing and depth of field compared to others. However, it doesn't work with AI denoising. Box. Among all the filters, this one produces the most significant blurring effect. Tint. This filter strikes a balance between blurring and sharpness, offering a good compromise. Symmetric tint, similar to the tint filter, but with increased diagonal blurring. Parabolic. This filter introduces the second most significant blurring. Pan. With low diagonal blurring and a smaller tail, this filter provides a distinct effect. Blackman-Harris, sharpest among the filters, resulting in the least blurring. None. Choosing this option disables all filtering, providing a perfectly sharp image. Width. This represents the filter radius in pixels. Increasing this value slightly blurs the image to enhance anti-aliasing and eliminate more effects. The default value of 2.0 generally works well for most cases. Highlight clamping. This option clamps all samples to a maximum value before they are written into the frame buffer. It can help reduce noise and improve anti-aliasing around bright light edges, but it comes with a bias. Be cautious not to set the value too low, as it may result in visibly clamped highlights. For unbiased and highest quality output, set it to 0 to disable. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Be sure to check out our other tutorial, and you can find the full tutorial playlist in the description below. Have a motion-filled day.